Welcome to our tutorial on designing a school asset inventory system database. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to create an efficient database using PHP and MySQL. We'll cover everything from defining key entities like assets, categories, and locations to establishing relationships that ensure seamless asset tracking. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your database skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation for managing school assets effectively and efficiently. Let's get started. The database design is the backbone of the school asset inventory system. It ensures that all asset data, assignments, locations, and accountable persons are structured in a way that allows for efficient management, tracking, and reporting. Below is a detailed discussion on the database structure and its components. The database structure consists of several key tables, each designed to handle different aspects of school asset management. This includes assets themselves, the categories they belong to, the locations where they are stored, the people responsible for them, and any transfers or maintenance activities associated with the assets. The school asset inventory system consists of several key tables that streamline asset management. The TBL_category organizes assets into groups like electronics or furniture, while TBL_office stores details about departments responsible for those assets. The TBL_location tracks where assets are stored, such as classrooms or storage rooms. The TBL_accountable_person contains information about individuals managing assets, including their contact details and login credentials. The TBL_asset serves as the central repository for asset information, linking each asset to its category and status. The TBL_assignment records the allocation of assets to individuals, noting their office and location, along with the assignment status. Lastly, the TBL_transfer logs the movement of assets between users, ensuring accurate tracking of asset transfers. Together, these tables create a comprehensive system for effectively managing school assets. The School Asset Inventory System, SAIS, uses foreign key relationships to connect its various tables, ensuring efficient data retrieval and analysis. Each asset in the TBL_asset is linked to a specific category via the category_id, referencing the TBL_category. The TBL_assignment connects to individual assets through the asset_id, linking each assignment to its corresponding asset. Additionally, each assignment references a specific accountable person through the accountable_person_id from the TBL_accountable_person table. The TBL_assignment also establishes a relationship with the TBL_location by linking the location_id to identify where the asset is assigned. Furthermore, the TBL_transfer table connects to the TBL_assignment through the assignment_id, tracking asset transfers. These relationships allow SAIS to monitor the entire lifecycle of assets, from their initial assignment to transfer or disposal. Make sure to watch the video on the presentation of the database design to get a detailed explanation. The School Asset Inventory System database is structured to manage assets effectively by categorizing them, tracking their status, and assigning them to specific users and locations. The design ensures data integrity through well-defined relationships between tables like TBL_asset, TBL_assignment, TBL_accountable_person, and others. This clear, structured approach simplifies asset management, enabling efficient tracking of assets, transfers, maintenance, and disposals. A well-designed database is critical for tracking assets, preventing mismanagement, and ensuring accountability within the school environment. By maintaining data consistency, the system ensures that all asset-related activities, such as assignment, maintenance, and disposal, are recorded and easily accessible. Thank you so much for watching this video on the School Asset Inventory System database design. Your time and interest are truly appreciated. If you found this content helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more tutorials. We'd love to hear your feedback or any questions you may have in the comments below. Happy asset managing!